Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Guys, this is Panasonic 17 kg top load washing machine. Once we on this washing machine, just on only, it's show H52 error code. Not running at all, just straight show H52 error code. Okay guys, come I show you how to solve the H52 error code. This washing machine got two board. First we call panel board, it's on top here, it's called panel board. Second we call motherboard behind here. Its washing machine got motherboard issue. For that we need to open this screw and see inside what is the issue with motherboard, because motherboard is inside here, below part. Here is the motherboard. Okay guys, come see. Can see the black color? Yes, motherboard spoiled already. Very easy, so we no need to find anything else. Clearly we can see the black color, motherboard is spoiled already. So what is the solution? We need to change the motherboard. Full set we can buy, we bring new one and just replace only. The problem is solved. After that we can use washing machine normally as usual. Thank you for watching this video. In future, for like this informative videos, you can follow our channel Knowledge of Life, and our Facebook page also you can follow, that also same name, Knowledge of Life.